Hey, this is Ace. This is Ace Genesis D Sarang, and it's the end of the world. The day is December 7, 2012, and I'm 13 years old. A year, 2 years ago, people, I received a message from the heavens that the world is gonna end at 2012. So I built a fort, but right now everyone is practically dying, and I want people from the future in the year 6000 or maybe above it. I want people in the future whoever finds this video. I want to tell to you that I want new people not to do the same causes we did to cause the end of the world. I'm practically stranded in this junkyard, which is my fort. I hope people in the future don't do the same mistake as we did. Thank you for your cooperation.